everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and if this is your first time, I'm so sorry. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now, as the title says, we are doing a purple glitter cut crease, and I just felt like playing in glitter. I just felt like elevating the look. So yeah. So I primed my eyelid with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then I'm going into my NYX Ultimate palette, and it's like a palette filled with like bright colors. And I took that dark purple color and packed that in the crease, and then to blend out the harshness, I took a lighter purple color to buff everything out, and just to add a transition. I don't know what it is with me and black eyeshadow, but I just cannot seem to keep my hands off of black eyeshadow whenever I'm trying to create a look. It's just something about it. I really can't put my finger on it. But yeah, I'm cutting my crease because, it's a glitter cut crease. And taking the purple that I had used, I'm going back in to blend out the edges, making it look very seamless. And I'm also like adding more depth with the black. So the glitters I'll be using today are from Glow Up Academy, and it's an Instagram shop by Kiki Adams. And I really, really like these glitters. I really like how chunky they are, and I just love them. So taking the NYX glitter glue, I'm using a small shader brush to carefully put that on. You don't want to mess up the concealer you had already previously put on there. So just be mindful of that. You don't need too much glue. And then I'm going in with the purple first because, I feel like that's the star of the show. Hold on, guys. I had to go back in and blend. And so I'm taking the purple, which is the star of the show, and I'm just carefully placing that on my eyelid. And then I'm doing the same with the gold, obviously. And for now, that's all I'm doing for the eyes, and then I'm going to come back to it. So for the face, I'm taking the Milk Hydrogrip primer, and I'm also taking the NYX Photo Loving primer. I don't know why I like mixing more than one primer. I just feel like it does something. I don't know what it does, but it does something. So taking the Loreal foundation in 525, and this is a 24-hour foundation, if you guys didn't know that. I'm just taking a foundation brush and buffing everything in. And I just want to say, I know the lighting keeps on fluctuating, but that's what comes with sunlight. So I just want you to just bear with me, and I do apologize. This is not within my control. I prefer sunlight over any other light, so yeah, I'm sorry. And so to conceal, I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Walnut and putting that under my eyes, making sure I'm not too close to the bottom of my eye, because you don't want the makeup to look cakey and crease up. And then I'm taking an e.l.f. sponge and blending everything out. Now to set all of that concealer in, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm just pressing that in with the Beauty Blender. And you can never forget to cut that cheekbone, okay? Don't forget it. Don't ever forget it in your whole life. So now going back into the eyes, I'm lining it with the black liner, and then pretty much taking the shadows I took from the top, the pink and the purple. I'm just creating that same effect on my bottom lash line subtly. Then I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Mascara and prepping my lashes for the falsies. And now I'm just applying the falsies, and I'm a bad bitch. Okay. So for the lips, I decided to keep it really simple. I just used a brown lip liner. And then I went in with I think it was a Shayla and Colourpop collaboration lipstick, but I'm not really a mauve girl. The color was not really me, so I had to go back into it with a much pinker lip gloss, because I don't know, lips, I don't know. Anyway, and then I topped it off with the OG $1 lip gloss, and that was pretty much the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and y'all should follow me on Instagram or whatever. I will link my Instagram in the description box, guys, because I post a lot of cute tutorials there as well. And thank you guys for clicking on the video, for clicking on this video once again, and I will see you guys in my next video.